Welcome to FameGears, where tech meets fame. Imagine being able to create jaw-dropping content that looks like it came from a full Hollywood production studio, but without spending thousands of dollars or hiring an entire team. Believe it or not, celebrities and top creators are already doing this. They're using powerful AI tools that work quietly behind the scenes to help them create smarter, faster, and more creatively. Even Will Smith uses one of these tools. And today, we'll show you what it is, how he uses it, and how you can use it too. So, if you want to discover 5 powerful AI tools that are secretly helping the world's top influencers and creators, stay with me till the end. Because the last tool we're going to show you, that one is unlike anything else out there. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video right now. It helps us reach more creators like you. Let's jump in. Tool number 1, Beautiful.AI. Let's begin with a tool used by Will Smith's team. And yes, we're talking about the actual tool they use for high-level creative presentations and brand concepts. Whenever Will Smith's media team pitches a new Netflix series, brand partnership, or project, they turn to Beautiful.AI. This tool uses artificial intelligence to instantly design presentation layouts, pick the best fonts, icons, and design structure, animate slides with smooth transitions automatically. What normally takes hours for a designer, Beautiful.AI handles in seconds. You write the content, and it handles the rest. Why it's powerful for you? Content creators use it to send branded pitch decks. YouTubers use it for visual storytelling and scripting. Freelancers use it to impress clients with smart presentations. If Will Smith's million-dollar campaigns trust this tool, you know it's built to impress. Tool number 2, Lex.page. Your smart writing partner. Meet your AI writing partner that understands flow, clarity, and tone like a pro copywriter. Lex is not just a text generator. It completes your thoughts, polishes your rough ideas, and gives you better ways to say what you mean. Whether you're writing YouTube scripts, video titles, product descriptions, email pitches, Lex helps you rewrite, expand, and sound better instantly. Its suggestions feel natural and human. Many creators secretly use Lex to turn rough bullet points into polished content. If writing takes you hours, this tool will change your game. Tool number 3, Papercup AI, the voice of global creators. Want your videos to reach people across the world? Platforms like BBC, Bloomberg, and Netflix use it to expand their content into multiple countries without hiring dubbing teams. Converts your voice to Spanish, Hindi, Arabic, and more. Keeps emotional tone and timing sounds smooth and natural, not robotic. If you want views from international audiences, this is your silent superpower. Tool number 4, Genei.ai, for research-heavy videos. Ever feel stuck while researching a tech topic? Genei reads and summarizes any article, blog, or document, saving you hours. Just paste a link or upload a file, and it gives you bullet point summaries, highlighted key points, smart search across documents, instant answers to your research questions. Great for explainer videos, tech news breakdowns, script research. It's like having an assistant who reads everything for you and gives you the short version. Tool number 5, Grok AI, Elon Musk's wildcard. Now, here's the tool we've been waiting for. The boldest, most talked about AI assistant right now, Grok, built by none other than Elon Musk himself. Integrated into X, formerly Twitter, Grok is more than a chatbot. It's an AI with an attitude. It's connected to live data, trending conversations, and current internet culture. Creators love it because it writes tweets and viral hooks, scripts reaction videos using real-time data, understands memes and sarcasm, responds with humor and personality. Grok is the only AI on this list that feels like a creative human. That's why we saved it for last. It's not just the best, it's the most fun to use. Final message. These were 5 AI tools quietly powering the content of celebrities, billion-dollar companies, and solo creators like you. If you learned something new today and haven't liked the video yet, now's the time. Subscribe to FameGears for more tools, tech, and trend breakdowns. And don't forget to hit the bell and set it to all so you never miss an edge. Thanks for being here. We'll meet again in the next one. Until then, bye.